What's going on, guys? We're back on another video. Today we're going to be playing a game called Identity Fraud. So it's pretty much like a really, not scary, but like a horror game for Roblox. So that's what we're going to be playing. So, yeah. So, before we get into the video, so it said, so the last video I made, which was yesterday, about 12 hours ago, it literally got 55 views. I didn't check it until the next day, which is this morning. So that is insane, guys, because I haven't got that many views in that much short period. Like, usually I get like 7 views in like 24 hours, but 55 views in 12 hours, or I don't know, probably even an hour, I don't know. I didn't check the video until today. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay. I just skipped it. That's great, that's great. No. Oh my god, there's a naked girl. That's. Hey, we're gonna get demonetized. Look away. Oh! Okay, I think that's a real person. Okay, yeah. Let's just follow the naked girl, which is kind of scary. Oh, I heard a noise. Frick? The heck are these? So guys, I know you guys can't hear the computer audio. It's just because I want you guys to hear me instead. So that's probably why you guys aren't going to be hearing the audio, which you probably don't want to hear the audio because it's just eerie all the time. So yeah. We're just gonna go this way because I lost track of them. I don't know where they went. I'm sure they went this way. Oh, they did. Oh my god, what is that? Girl, move! Girl, move! What does that say? Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Okay, we lost it. We lost it. That was kind of scary looking. Bro, who'd be pounding on the door? There's someone on the other side. Oh, it's the door. It's the way out, I think. Oh god, no, we have to have a... Okay, I know where to go. I know where to... Oh my god, it doesn't kill you, that's good. Wait! Oh heck no, that scared the crap out of me. Get me out of here, get me out of here. That literally gave me some chills. Okay, now I know where to go. No. We're taking a turn that way. My hand is cracked. Which also I get, which we should be there. Yeah, we are there. So, I think we just need to wait for the light to turn green. That's what I read. So, once it turns green, we should be. Yeah, see, there's the gate. And it seems to save in progress down there. We just wait for it to turn green. So, yeah. So, we were on that side. It's music, though. It's music kind of intense. Hey. Nope. I gave you a shot. If you keep sparing them. That's how you like it. Huh? Yeah, that perfectly does it. Oh my god, someone just died. Someone just died. Yeah. Get me out. Who's knocking? Here, guys. You guys hear that? It's like pounding. It's a little scary. What the frick is that? Oh, it's another player. Oh yeah. No, this game's all about identity fraud. So this person can be fake and he can actually be a monster. We don't know. So what if they do an emoji, which is like a waving button? If you look at the what's wrong? Can't get us? That's tough luck. Oh yeah, come at us, scrubs. Scrubs. Oh no. Girl, run! Run! Oh, she made it out. Okay, we just have to wait for this light to turn green. Oh! You guys saw that, right? It was right there. Oh, that's a scary oh, she's fake. She's fake. I told you guys she had to be a fake. She was fake. You're fake. You're fake. That was she just turned fake. She just killed me. Why is she running so fast? Oh, someone's chasing her. No. It waved at me. I saw the wave. Guys, it waved at me. I'm so dead. I am so dead. It just waved at me. I'm dead. I don't want to turn the corner. Hello? Hey, he doesn't have a computer. Oh. No. This thing teleports. Alright, I'm booking up. We've got 4 people. We're all squad. It's right there. Oh, we got 4 people. We got 5 people. Come on, guys, come on. We got the whole squad here. Is that the exit? We don't know. It's chasing us. The horror. Did they just jump? Oh, she came out of nowhere. Oh, she's being chased by someone. And that person is the thing behind her. Oh, heck no. Oh my god. So now that the person she just killed turns into the fake person. You get what I'm saying, guys? Oh yes, he waits. Oh, I'm booking. Dead. Oh, see, look, see that fake one? Now that's me. See, it's me. So now it turns into me. You guys get what I'm saying now? Oh, we out, boys. Wait, hold on. Boys, we escaped. Alright. Well, now I'm alone again. Oof, what's this? Okay. So I think we just have to go follow the lights. Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so I think we follow the lights. Okay, we're good. Oh god, no, there's no light. Sure, that thing is gonna peek its head. I guess every time that sound. I have goosebumps. What you get when you live somewhere really cold and play scary games. Oh, don't tell me it's a dead end. It's a dead end. Because I don't turn the corner and I have a monster eat my freaking nut. Oh, yep. What I just say? I don't want to turn the corner and have a monster eat my nuts. You found some light. Holy crap. We did it, boys. Don't tell me it's a monster again. Oh, God. We found the light. I think there's some light that way, but we're gonna check. No light. I don't know this. Oh, Louis found some light. More lights. So yeah, I think it's follow the lights. Why do the stars look so green? Alright. Oh god, I think I went the wrong way. I do not know. It's two ways. Oh, that's gross. I hear someone chattering their teeth. Oh god, we can hear it out of my headphones. Oh, jeez. Oh, I froze. What? The monster. That looks oddly placed. Oh, okay, never mind. It's a dead end. It's a dead end. What is that noise? Scared. Okay, guys. If we just can't find a way out, then we might just end it off here. I'm too scared to continue. Coming from our Roblox here. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's good. Alright, so I'm gonna call it quits here. So yeah, so that's the thing that kills you. Oh, what the frick? Okay, so there's like a different parts of the map that you can go to. Okay, so frick. Oh, frick. There's a second one. Beat up simulator. Hold on, let's just try this game out even though we were just focused on next map. About. Okay. Oh, like cut. Hey, that's my video. I made that. Let's see. Let's see this game's about. We got 2 minutes to play this. So apparently there's a like cut G. And then we're gonna go out the window. Oh! Bro, what the frick? Oh, get wrecked. Oh! Oh! So the guy running it was a zombie, and I shoot him in the face. I like a cut. I like head smash. It's a voodoo doll.